Yo, check it out. Alright. Yo, it's your boy Von Keith.
Stay in hustle mode, got some brand new clothes, hit them with a pose, check what I just drove, my car don't touch the road.
So today I'm showing y'all how I do my C-cups. Now I am going to show y'all a little bit of the hairline, but mostly the thing that I'm focusing on is the vertical bars and the C-cups, because people do have a lot of a difficult time getting those right, and this is one of my most requested videos. So first we're going to start off, we're going to get our Tap and Go Hairline Spritz by Top Tier Hair Club. So we're going to go ahead and spray in the designated areas. Now I'm spraying on the forehead because it's not going to flake up on his skin at all. It's not going to show that white flaky substance or anything. I'm covering his eyes up because I don't want it to go all up in his eyes. Now always keep a towel just in case any extra residue. We can just wipe it off the forehead like this. Now in my opinion, it's best to let it air dry, but we can also, if you're going quicker, you can use a blow dryer. Now when we get to these vertical bars, my client's, his forehead curves right here and his vertical bar sits right on his forehead. Not everybody has the luxury, so what I'm gonna start off with, my razor first. See, I'm taking my time. You see that white chalky line coming up? And that's what we're looking for. See, now that vertical bar is going straight down. See the hairline forming is going straight across right here. Now remember, this part curves, so what we're focused on is trying to make it a box, just as box as possible. Now for the moment that we've all been waiting for, and this is one of my favorite parts of the haircut too, is doing that C-cup. So we already see the C-cup is already pretty much formed right there. So we're gonna hold our blades flat at the tip. Now we do see that it's kind of light right here, so I can bring the C-cup up just a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. Barely even tapping, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not even touching the skin. I just want to form the C-cup, and then I'm gonna go with the skin. Voila. That's what we're looking for right there. It's real simple. Don't try to make this job look, don't make it too hard. Don't make it harder than what it is. Damn. That's a nice C-cup right there. So we're gonna hit it with the razor one more time just to make sure that line is perfectly straight. Yes, sir. That's what I'm looking for right there. You might have to push this corner back just a little bit in order for it to look just a little bit straighter, but that depends on how this side comes out. See, just enough right there. All right, we're gonna comb once again. And I'm gonna go to the hairline one more time. Now this is just the first hairline, ladies and gentlemen. I try to do at least about 2 hairlines. That's why I like to use the magic pencil as well. And just to make sure my clients are getting their money's worth. You wanna make sure these hairlines are lasting about a week at least. We need to make sure the C-cups are going to line up. So what I like to do, that's one thing I love about this Rhino comb. It's made by Murano. We're going to take one end of the comb, or you can take this end right here and go straight across with it. Bam. So I have a photographic memory. I know exactly where I'm putting my comb, but if you have to do it again, or even if you have to use this part right here, I'll take it one more time. Dead on the money, folks. All right. We're gonna make our mark. Now sometimes if you have to start lower just to make sure you're not going too high in your C-cup, that's fine too. and then you can make your adjustments. The more hair you have, the merrier, versus going too much into it, and then you have to fix everything all over again. So this side had less hair, so we can kind of go on the skin just a little bit. But you see, I'm only using the corner of my blade. That's all I want to use. I don't want to use the whole blade, because then if you have a flat blade going in your C-cup, you can't make the curve. And you got to make sure these trimmers are sharp. You got to make sure they're snipping. Look at that. Now it's coming along. I'm gonna bring it in closer for y'all so y'all can see. We're gonna comb it down. Bam. Once again, we're gonna go behind the ear. You want to make sure you leave some hair back there to line up, because that makes the temp fade stand out a lot more. The C-cup in front and behind. Yes, sir. I like how that look. All right, let's take this razor. So we're gonna take our razor, just glide with the skin. The skin is nice and dry, so my razor is just gliding with the skin. That's what we want. Now everybody be asking about where that white chalk line come from. This is where it comes from. You got to make the skin dry. I did wash my client's skin before we did his hairline as well, because that's a good prep for your hairline. I took his vertical bar at the top end and I pointed it back just a little bit, because his forehead curves up here. So it points back up here and it goes straight down right here. And I'm gonna show you the type of effect that it has on the hairline. And ladies and gentlemen, what you must always remember, as a barber, as an artist, every human is asymmetrical. If you don't know that, you cannot be a successful barber. Now, we're not doing no enhancements. My client keeps the tailline natural. So we're about to show you how to razor this thing out. Raising out the pencil line is not hard at all. It's not rocket science. You want to make sure you're pulling that skin. And this also helps you get even better with your razor if you're not as confident to use a razor on your clients, especially if you want to start off a hairline with the razor. Voila. Can't go backwards, but I'm gonna show y'all how to go down. I'm gonna start on the line, razor it down. And what the clippers are gonna do, we're gonna follow up with the clippers to smear it out even more. Yes, sir, that thing talking to me now. I'm gonna razor out that hairline at the top. Now I usually go against, but sometimes I do go down. It makes the same effect. The razor line pretty much gone. Look at that. So, now this is what I was talking about. I went in at the top just a little bit. I just slanted it, and then at the bottom, I made it straight. All right, just giving y'all a quick backstory. This is my boy Keith, man. He always come at least every 2 or 3 weeks. Couldn't get with him. I had a birthday, so he, went to visit some family. One of his cousins. They are a upcoming barber, and honestly, I see what he really helped me out a lot. He tapered his hairline really well. He did push his hairline up, and these are one of these type of hairlines that can be real difficult to line up. So I do tip my hat off to him, even for the temping. But I'm making this video, man, just to show you, you all have to start somewhere. Even I used to mess up people from time to time, but that's the hard thing about barbering. It's giving everybody something that they want or need. And sometimes even I can't even give them that, even at this point in my career. Yes, I'm very great. I'm one of the, well-polished barbers in Atlanta. But however, when people are looking for certain things, you can't read everybody's mind. So all you can do is just do your best, train yourself to become better, and have a certain standard. That's why I call myself top tier haircuts, because that's all I'm giving is top tier haircuts. We're making experiences every single day. But as you can see, we're just following up, man, making sure there's no curls coming down this hairline. So when my client walk outside, that thing gonna be nice and picture perfect. Yes, sir. And if you're wondering what the white stuff is, it's the product. It's still dry. It's still drying in his head. I use some of this icy blue foam wrap. It's also by Top Tier Hair Club. This is my brand. Make sure y'all go shop and cop. You already know the website will be in the description. All right, folks, this is the wide angle view. That's a perfect C cup right there. That's what we're looking for. We also got the line defined in the back. So now when my client walks around and when his hair is even growing back, the fade grows in perfectly how it's supposed to be. I'm showing y'all the other side as well. And this is the front line. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, the one and only Von Keith, the artist. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Just a small little recap of the video. We did the vertical bars with the C cups. That was a very much requested video from many people. So I hope y'all did learn something. If you have any other requests, please let me know. I will be trying to do all kind of videos. I'm gonna try to do all the videos I can. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you to the 9,000 subscribers that I do have. Now we about to just exponentially grow to 10,000, 12, 20. We on the way, baby. Go ahead and like this video, please. I'm trying to get this video to at least 100 likes. I hope you all enjoy it. Peace out. Next video dropping soon. Stay tuned.
Stay in hustle mode. Got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose. Check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.